Hey guys, Angel here. We got the ball going off. What I did notice is whoever this person is, or entity or whatever, does not like uh, loud sounds. I went and hollered for him, and it was just like yesterday. They don't. They don't like loud noises. And I screamed his name loud, and then, hey, come on, look, you feel free to open them. I ain't moved. Holy moly, look at this. Boom! Holy moly. See, they're more or less on this side. I have some like knicker pants on, or whatever. My ankles are exposed. And honey, it was freezing right here by me just now. I just seen it. I just seen it on side of me.